Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, and I'm wishing you all well. And I want to thank you if this is your first time joining me. Heck. I want to thank you if you're just joining me and this is your millionth time joining me. We're going to be taking a look at another math contest. This time it's going to be the grade 8 level Gauss paper. Not the grade 7, but the grade 8 level Gauss paper from 2018. Okay? So, aimed at the grade 8 level, it's put out by the University of Waterloo, and let's take a look here. Now, if you'd like a copy of this contest, you can, as always, click the very first link in the description and you can get one for yourself. You can, read it on your tablet, or you can print it out and try it for yourself. Try it with a friend. But remember, it's the grade 8 level. I've already done the grade 7 level, so if you're interested in that one, you can find it elsewhere on my channel. Few things to note as I try to. Time limit for a contest is an important thing to know if you're going to be writing them out, coming up this year. Whether or not calculators are allowed or other electronics, and if so, what kinds of calculators are allowed and that sort of a thing. That's always important to read for your instructions. And of course, there's a whole bunch of other instructions to read. Things I would draw your attention to are scoring. If we're trying to do really well, and this isn't as relevant for the grade 7s and 8s Gauss papers, but it starts to become more important with things like the Waterloo Fermat paper, or the Euclid paper, where you can earn scholarship money to attend universities. We want to be trying to maximize our score. So knowing which questions are worth how much and being able to properly assess that and judge and portion our time is a very important skill to develop, and it can all start here with the grade 8 Gauss. Okay. Other things to note, this is a multiple choice level contest. Only one of the 5 presented answers is correct. And so it is entirely up to you to just sort out which one's which. And that does mean that you can guess in the end if you are stuck. Although usually I don't recommend you guess unless you can narrow it down to 2 or 3 options. Because, and this is a fun little thing, an unanswered question is worth 2 marks automatically. So if I just take this paper and I write nothing, and I don't answer any questions, I am guaranteed 20 marks. 2 times the maximum of 10 questions can be left blank. Guaranteed 20 marks, and that's sort of fantastic. It rewards you for being able to say I don't know or I'm not sure, which is an important thing to be able to say in the real world. Okay, we're just going to go one question at a time, and that means we're going to just focus on question number 1 in this video. The cost of 1 melon is $3. What is the cost of 6 melons? Okay, so I always try and write something down, but of course you might not need to. But 6 melons times $3 per melon. So that's going to be 6 times 3. It's going to be $18. Okay. You might have been able to do that in your head, or you might have just very quickly punched it in on a calculator. But there we go, $18. They never really try and mess you up on the very first question, or heck, even about the first 5 questions are meant to be fairly basic, fairly simple. It's the the latter questions, the later ones on the contest, that can be a bit trickier. But there we go, 18. So let's go back, figure out which one. So 18 is an answer of C. So we bubble that in, and already we've got ourselves 5 out of 150 marks. We're off to a fantastic start, and we're going to continue that start by following it up with question number 2 in the next video.